Hello again, everyone. I'm Mr. Vaughn, and I'm here to help with problems like 17 and 43 to 51 on pages 368 to 369. These problems involve using some trigonometry to find a missing side or missing parts of our triangle. Alright, so what we want to do is 4 steps, and we'll have these problems knocked out. Okay, first step, we want to determine which function we're going to use, and that's going to be based on what our picture looks like. Okay, we're going to determine whether we're going to use cosine, sine, or tangent. Then, step 2, we're going to write an equation based on the picture. For instance, our picture might tell us, hey, the tangent of 25 degrees equals 8 over x. Okay? Then, because our picture told us we have a tangent equation, in step 3, we're going to calculate the tangent of 25, and we'd find that number. Okay? Then in step 4, we substitute that number in for the tangent of 25 in our equation, and we solve. And that's all there is to it. Okay? Let's see if we can do it. In our example, we want to find x to the nearest tenth. Okay, so here's our picture. We've got hypotenuse here. We've got this angle, 35 degrees, and we want to find the length of this side, x. So what type of equation are we going to use in this situation? Are we going to use a sine equation, cosine equation, or a tangent equation? Go ahead and pick A, B, or C. Absolutely, it's going to be cosine equation because we have an angle and we want to find the adjacent leg and we're given the hypotenuse. So our equation becomes the cosine of 35 degrees is equal to the adjacent leg, which is x, we don't know that one, over the hypotenuse of 20. Okay. Now, the next step is we got to find out what the cosine of 35 degrees is. So we'll just write this over here, the cosine of 35. We put that in our calculator. We come up with, well, we'll round it off to 0.819. So what we do next is we substitute that 0.819 in for that. And we get the equation 0.819 equals x over 20. Okay, now all we have to do is multiply both sides times 20, and we're going to get 16.38, so we'll round that to 16.4 equals, well, we shouldn't put that, let's put approximately equal to x. Okay, that's to the nearest tenth. And that is our solution. Right there. So, just follow those 4 steps up above, and you're going to do great on these problems. So, go get them, and we'll see you next time.